Hello, this is Novix IT, and today we're continuing with part 3 of our Active Directory series. So we'll be doing a number of things continuing from the previous videos, but the first thing on our agenda is we're going to log into client 1, and we're going to configure it such that users who don't have administrative rights will be able to log in. So if you haven't already, start your virtual machines. As you can see, mine are already running. So I'm going to go ahead to remote desktop connection. As you can see, my public IP address is already by default. So I'm going to connect. Then I'm going to go on more choices because I want to use a different account. So if you look at your notes for the login information, I'm going to use May admin as the username. So the domain admin account, I'm going to use it to log into the client 1. So paste, and then the password, copy and paste. Okay, and we're gonna log in. Okay, then from here, go at the bottom left, right click the start menu, then we'll go to system. Then we're going to go to remote desktop here on the right. And then from here, we're going to go all the way down where it says user accounts. And then where it says select users that can be remotely access this PC. So click that. Then we're going to click add. To add some users. And then we're going to type domain users. Domain users are the ones that don't have administrative rights. Those are the ones we want to add. So then click check names. Click OK. Click OK. And that should do it. So now we should be able to log into client 1 as a normal non-administrative user now. So yeah, the reason you would normally do this is so you can like work with group policy that lets you change many systems all at one go. Yeah, we'll most likely do that in the future. So click on that. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, we don't have to stay here. We're gonna log off from here. Okay, so now we're gonna log into DC1 or domain controller 1. So I'm gonna open another remote desktop connection. I'm gonna copy the public IP address of DC1, paste, and then connect. And so we're gonna log in as our domain admin account, which it is. It's right here. So just make sure the password is the same. Put your password and then log in. So yeah, the reason we're logging into here is that we're going to create a lot of users and attempt to log into one of the we're gonna log in back to client 1 using one of those created users. So for now, we can close this for now. So in the search bar down here, I'm gonna put PowerShell. No, PowerShell ISE. Right click it and make sure you run as administrator. And click run and you can see yes. So let's expand this right here. We don't need this part right here, so I'm going to click X here. And for the script, so there's a script right here option, I'm going to expand that. There we go. So next, we're going to create a file and paste the context of a script into it. I'm going to put the where you can get the script. I'm probably going to put it in the comment section, and then just click the link, and it should, from there you should be able to copy the script if you're to be able to follow along. So for myself, I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna copy raw file, and then copy, then back to remote desktop. So back to here. Hold on. Actually, before that, I'm gonna save this script right here. I'm gonna click Save Script. And then I'm gonna call it create dash user, and then I'm gonna save it to the desktop right here, and then click save. Now, as you recall, I already copied the raw file from that script, so I'm gonna paste it. Control V. It's all here. Then next, let's see. So now we're gonna run the script and we're gonna observe accounts being created, and it's gonna be a lot of accounts that are gonna be created. So you look at these icons right here. So you just if you hover around them, they tell you what they do. Let's paste, clear, undo, run script. So that's what we want to do. So click run script, like the play button, then click OK. There's our script. So yeah, it's basically creating like randomly. I believe it's going to create, let's see, 10,000 users. So you can probably, if you want, you can wait that long, and you're gonna have this 10,000 years. Unless you really need that, then you could also, if you don't want to wait until the entire script is done, you could also like stop the script, or you can just let it be completed. Probably gonna be, let's like wait a while. So let's just say if you can like continue it to the end, but I'm gonna stop it just like right about right now. So I stopped the script. So I'm gonna go, now if you go to start menu right here, and then I'm gonna go to Windows Administrative Tools, and then I'm gonna go to Active Directory using computers. Okay, I'm gonna expand this. Go to nxdomain.com, so whatever your force is named, and I'm gonna click where it says, let's see, is it employees? That's right. Okay, so you can see this is where all of our users were created. So a lot were created in that short amount of time, like a lot of users. If it was 10,000, it would be a lot more. So we're gonna attempt to log in as to one of these users. So let me just take a quick look. I'm gonna choose BitCodeJar as one of our users. So I'm gonna put it in my notes. So come back, open user name BitCodeJar. Let me make sure that's spelled right. And it looks like it was. Okay. So as you recall, we're gonna use the same, like we're gonna add nx domain.com /. Yeah, you need to add this for every non-administrator client. And then the password. So the password is set. So let's go back to here. Let's go to the script. If you look at the script, it is set as password 1. So that's what all these users' passwords are, is password 1. Password 1. So pretty sure, just double check. I click here, systems. So yeah, this is the main controller. That was the main controller. So now we're gonna open remote desktop connection, and we're gonna log in as that new user. So copy, paste, it's already there. Connect, more choices, a different account. Oops, and then go to the notes, and we're gonna go with pickle jar. It's gonna log in for the first time. And then password. Paste, okay, and say yes, we are logging in. And it looks like it is successful. We are successfully logging in. So that means if we tried any other different user, this should work. So we're just testing that our users' accounts work. So if I remember correctly, this probably might take. Oh, it's already logged in. I thought it was gonna take a while. So that's good. So it looks like it works. So yeah, I think we're gonna end it right about here. So if you can continuing on to the next video, then you just leave your virtual machines run and just keep going. Otherwise, you're gonna log off. So open the run box and log off. That's one way to do it. Log off this one. Yeah, and then yeah, just basically if you're done, I'm gonna save my notes. Then yeah, you're gonna want to turn off your virtual machines, and yeah. All right. So yeah, if you find this content helpful, then put a like on the video, and then share comments and tell me what you think. And yeah, until next time.